Tulog na, baby ko!
What is up, you guys? This is another vlog. Today in my school life. And yeah, it's currently 4:30 in the morning. I'm gonna prepare my pack lunch for my lunch. Obviously, feeling kinda sleepy, but let's go. I'm waiting for my rice to cook. Let me first give you a quick rundown on what I bring to school every day. My clipboard, syempre para para kahit saan tayo mag-solve ng mga problems. Clip na lang natin dito yung yellow pad or one hole, sabay solve. Kunyari, matalino. Wow! Tapos yan yung inarboran sa architect kong friend. Siyempre yung notes, yung notebooks, books, pens, and most importantly, calculator. Hindi ka magbubuhay sa pagiging engineering mo kung wala kang calculator. Top tips for my engineering friends: invest in a good calculator. As you can see, yan po, nagluluto na po ako ng breakfast. Getting ready for my scrambled egg. Getting the pans ready for cooking. And yan, hinugasan muna bago isalang. Turn on the burner, and yan, isang kawali na naman para sa hotdog. Yan, so yun, ayaw bumukas, kaya yan, persahin natin, the mantika, and yeah, the scrambled egg. Yummy. Yan, finish na siya. Okay, buksan na natin para maluto at ma-activate na yung mantika. Chopping some onions. Yan, crush muna bago babalatan. And yan, pinuhin mo para masarap sa fried rice. Okay, kinuha ko yung hotdog, and this is the finished product. Yan, nag-fried rice na ako. This is my baon for today, and this is 2 pork chops marinated in a secret sauce that I made. So yeah, let's get to cooking. Decided to add some toyo, and this is our breakfast for today's morning. This is my meat cooking, and here's the finished product. Got some gravy left over. Yan, sarap. I'm gonna eat good during this lunch. Siyempre, pagkatapos magluto is maligo, and yan, getting ready for school. And getting ready for my belt. Siyempre, moisturizer para moisturize all throughout the day. Yan, uniform na binili na second hand lang, kaya walang logo. Yan, siyempre, para good boy looking. And yan, siyempre, ID para tumagdag sa good boy status natin. Full uniform dapat, di ba? Siyempre, kailangan mabango, di ba? Watch para add more style. Suklay. And jacket kasi parang uulan. Damn, I look so good. Poging-pogi sa sarili. Ayun, unang kalutangan for today's video is nakakalimutan ko yung jacket ko. So yeah, hoping na hindi umulan ng malakas. Yeah, I'm here at our beloved department, which is the College of Engineering. So yeah.
I want you to hold on the palm of your hand.
Big contribution, and this is my friend Renzo, the smartest one in the group.
Smartest one na nga.
Ito talaga ang pinaka-smartest one in the group. Ayan, tapos yan. Si LJ. Daily routine of an engineering. Ano boy, kamusta ang pagiging engineer, boy?
Hindi po siya madali.
Boy. Interview ka mo daw, boy.
Hindi na ako mag-ano.
Ano, kamusta ang pagiging engineering, boy? Ha?
Ako tanong mo, okay lang.
Oh.
Okay lang mo ano? Ano siguro, normal na siguro mag-suicide ka na.
Say mo, Jacob, kamusta?
Maganda na ako.
Makasanit pa. Joshua. Kamusta ang pagiging engineering?
So far, napakasarap. Napakasarap mamatay.
Peres, kamusta sabi? Interview na daw, boy. Kamusta na maging engineer, boy?
Ito, naka-depress.
Boy, interview na daw, boy. Kamusta ang pagiging engineer mo, boy?
Gago boy, ganda na ako.
Des. Kamusta ang pagiging engineer mo, Des?
Chill lang, pero bagsak.
Boy. Kamusta ang pagiging engineer ta, boy?
Ha?
Kamusta ang pagiging engineer ta, boy?
Kinda want to big tea.
Ha?
Kinda want to big tea.
P. Kamusta ang pagiging engineer? Kamusta ang pagiging engineer? Okay lang. Boy, kamusta ang pagiging engineer, boy?
Okay lang.
Sa'yo, Ariela, ra? Ayaw, boy. Interview tayo mga boss. Ayaw, pwede ka man. Puta ka, boy. Ano, boy? Kamusta ka na, boy?
Boy, man!
Boy, kamusta ang pagiging engineer, boy? Okay lang. Arish, kamusta? Lasal. Kamusta ang pagiging engineer? Irish. Kamusta ang pagiging engineer? Easy, kamusta ang pagiging engineer? IZ. Okay. No comment. Boy. Kamusta ang pagiging engineer, boy?
Ano nga no?
Engineer.
Buko na. Nakamin.
Kamusta ang pagiging engineer mo, Dan?
Gago. Ayun, pres.
Sarge, kamusta ang pagiging engineer, Renz? Tin. Mga itin. Kung kaya po siya mo, Tin. Magiling ka, Tin. Kamusta ang pagiging engineer, Tin?
Josh!
Ha? Depressing.
Given a distance between 2 points. Distance coming up.
Good night, boy! Good night! Good night! Dad! Chloe!
Tulog na, baby ko.
Tinakaw na naman.
Sabi daw.
Kinaya mo!
Shout out kay Louie. Nakatoy. Oh my God, Louie. Now it's time to eat. Kasi anong oras na? Ang ating lunch for today's evening. Ay, for today's food too. Yay! Solid. Pwede na ako magagong. Meal prep success. Masarap yung aking naluto. Irish! May Irish yan eh. Isang Irish yan. Jeric in its natural element. So yun po, no? Puro kami math. Siyempre, engineering. Sabi na.
Trash talker na vlog.
Sir, sorry, racial level again, sir.
Hoy guys, di kami kaya
So ayun po, no? Pagkakangaman po. Sige, boy. Boy, sige na, boy. Dribble. Garanti po. Takot si Eves, sarinti ang hanaps. Kamusta ang score natin?
Dadaan po tayo sa isang ano. Ano to, parang ano?
Bengo yan si Antulo.
Gapa picture boy!
Okay, kanong, yan tol, live. Ano boy, kamusta boy? Score mo boy?
One mistake pero bako.
Same. Wow. Perks ng pagiging 7 to 7 plus. Wow.
Yung X na. So makikita nyo, this is point B. Point B. Magiging 2 yan. Okay. So ngayon, ganito. Bakit yung T1X?
Ulitin ita'y para sa'yo. Kasi ako'y natatakot papuntang CR.
Okay, so huwag nyo galawin para ano. Okay, ganito lang yun. Yung side slopes na. So from O,
Gusto ko nang mamatay. Climb above, forget it is more. There's so much to buy. Your eyes shine.
11.
Tiko 1, 2, 3.
O, yung mga 2-3 yan, plus ito pa, ilang percent yan? Almost 70 yan, no? Alam mo kung sino magagaling yan. Magagaling yung grupo na yan. Ang pinaka number 1 sa akin sana dyan, itong number 2. Yan actually yung bet ko dyan. Pero kasi magkakaibigan lang yan. Tingnan mo, magkakalapit lang gano'n lang. Isang problem lang halos. 44 yan. Marami pang magagaling dyan eh. Sige, butad.
Sir, tamailing mo pa ngayon ko dyan, sir. Liban sa asin
Ang nangyari dyan, kalahati nila nasa isang reviewer. Kalahati, nasa isang reviewer din. Tapos nag-sharing sila. Ngayon, wala dito na yung yung mga top notches. Dito na. Yung mga top notches, andito yun yung record ng top notches. Andito yan, yung top, yung kumbaga every year. So yan, yung anong taon yan?
11 po.
2011, may sumunod pa dyan, bago sila, meron pa, parang natigil, 2015 yata.
Duman, stop.
Meron pa 2017, parang meron pag isa lang, pero hindi na tayo. Ngayon, ang susunod kayo na.
Yes, sir.
Basta sumunod na kayo sa akin.
Yes, sir. Sama ko. Puno, kitang-kita nyo naman, sabog ako ngayong maghapon. Yan. 7 to 7. Epekto lang 7 to 7. Sana all. Kaya si Dayan, pinakamaribok ni Mi. Tapos si Jeric.
Nagapo na dyan ang pando ko.
Yan naman. Ano lang initigti ko may for memory purposes. Pag iling ta. Gusto ko iling tayo ni next time. Puro na kita engineer.
Cheers na!
Ngayon ako dati, iling mo mga struggle stuff.
Bakit engineer na?
Manifesting future engineers.
Ang bandok.
It's something that is... Paano kita to? Ay, ito paano? Resultiro na lang. Resultiro na. Resultiro na. Ba't mo rin ako? Kaso summer.
Ano sari boy?
Kaso summer.
Bago pa lang no?
Ferdinando.
Ay, di mo yan
Di mo yan
Oh, it's fucking raining. Hey! And I tell my feelings for gone. Lying on my bed, thinking of you again. Whoa. So yun, medyo basa. Oh my God, basa ang aking phone. Napasokan ng So yun, napasokan ng ng tubig ata yung camera ko. So wala na tayong magagawa. Yan, just appreciate this hazy vibe that it has. So yun, that's a quick rundown kung ano ang daily routine ko as a civil engineering student. Kung anong mga pinagdadaanan. Oh my God. Today was a crazy day and today was fun. That's how it's supposed to be, diba? College life is supposed to be fun, I suppose. I mean, it's hard. Struggling talaga pag in civil engineering student ka, pero make the most out of it. Like, make it exciting, make it fun. Because if you get yourself too caught up with with struggling and all that stuff, yeah, you just need to lighten up. Surround yourself with good people and yeah, work hard. And I hope once I rewatch this video I become an engineer now. Hopefully someday. And if I'm watching this and I'm currently struggling, just know why you. Just remember why you did it. Why you started it in the first place. Yeah. You are going to prove people wrong. To the doubters. Yeah. So hopefully in the future I have a better camera now. So yeah, this is it for a day in my school life vlog. Hope you like it. And yeah, if you're one of my classmates or one of my engineering friends, then yeah, hit the subscribe button. Oh my God, what is wrong with this camera? So yeah, Sleepy Nappy out. Peace.